Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're going to make a very unique starter recipe. This is chicken dynamite. And this is a real dynamite recipe. Let's start by marinating the chicken. Into a bowl add in 1 egg, some salt, garlic powder, some oregano, pepper powder, some chili sauce, and some soy sauce. If garlic powder is not available at your place, you can always add grated garlic. Now mix everything. Now drop in some boneless chicken pieces. Mix it and keep it aside for half an hour to get it marinated. Now into another bowl, add in all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, corn flour, some salt, garlic powder, oregano, pepper powder, and some chili powder. Now mix it. Now take each marinated chicken pieces and coat them in flour and keep it aside. Now you have to coat each chicken pieces separately. Once all the chicken pieces are ready, fry them in medium heat oil. Once it turns to golden brown shades, take it out. Now just before serving, into a bowl add in some mayonnaise and some chili sauce and mix it. Now add our fried chicken pieces and coat them in this mayonnaise. You should do this step just before serving, or else the fried chicken pieces will get soggy. Now you can serve this dynamite chicken with some lettuce, to add more green, you can garnish it with some spring onion, This chicken dynamite is a real dynamite recipe. You will have a burst of flavors in your mouth from the first bite itself. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.